Hi friends, it's Nancy here for Cloud9 Crafts, and today I'm back with a new card with the Valentine release from Lawn Fawn. We also have a new challenge this month, and that's Valentine's Day. It runs till the end of January, and you can use your hashtag C9CraftsChallenge and tag us at Cloud9 Craft Store so we can see your projects on social media. Because this is a new year, I want to challenge myself with several things. And this time I choose to use my scraps from different colors of cardstock. And this time I used the ballet slippers, the sticky note and the mermaid cardstock by Lawn Fawn. Of course, not all those scraps have the same sizes in my stash, so I use my guillotine to cut all those pieces at the same size. And I use some tape runner to adhere everything to the card panel. To create some clouds on the back panel of my mini picture frame from Lawn Fawn, I'm using the Lawn Fawn cloud stencil and some purple tape to adhere that tiny background on my craft mat. And I also use some tumbled glass and of course my tailored expression blending brushes to create those clouds on the background. Here I'm showing you the mini picture frames from Lawn Fawn, and I used the rectangle size. And since I'm using scraps from 2020, I also wanted to use that pink bird that I didn't use on my previous card. That was also in a Valentine theme. So therefore you not see me coloring that bird. But hey, it's still in my stash and I challenge myself with this new year to use some supplies and things that are already in my stash. So therefore you see me using this pink bird. And it's from the new Lawn Fawn release Special Delivery. For the sentiment I used the fancy wavy banners from Lawn Fawn and I used their previous release from Valentine 2019, You're Just My Type, to say, just a little note to say, ... And now I am adhering everything on the card panel using liquid glue, some foam tape, some foam squares from scrapbook adhesives. For the sentiment I also use Merman Lawn Fawn ink to stamp the sentiment. And now I'm using those hearts that were leftovers from my previous card, and that is the Lawn Fawn gift card heart envelope. They also have dies, little heart dies in that die set, so these are the leftovers from my previous card. And I'm adhering them with liquid glue. And now I'm using my Spectrum Noir glitter pen to give that pink bird some shine and some glitter. And that finishes up my card for today. I hope you liked this video and this card. If you did, please give this video some thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. I want to thank you for spending time with me and hopefully you enjoyed the video. I would love for you to see you back to participating in our challenge. Don't forget to use C9 Craft Challenge so we can see your projects on social media. Hopefully see you next time. Bye!